Hello everyone, Kamnimo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dubzang Lepcha, and as you all know that I'm presenting series of video on some common medicinal herb of Sikkim Himalayas. And this is episode thought, and in this video also, as usual, I'm going to introduce to you some of the most common and most popularly used medicinal plant found in Sikkim Himalaya. Hope you guys had already watched my previous video, and I think that video is helpful to you all. And I would like to request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos.
This is one of the common medicinal plant as well as wild edible plant found in Sikkim Himalaya. It is Girardenia diversifolia of family Orchidaceae, and this plant is locally known as Bhangre Sisnu in Nepali language, Himalayan nettle in English, and Kuzu Sorong in Lepcha language. This plant used to treat many diseases such as gastric disorder, chest pain, rheumatism, tuberculosis, headache, joint pain, and even it is used during delivery problems. Other than medicinal uses, bark of this plant is very strong, smooth, and light fiber. The fiber is used by Lepcha community to make their traditional cloth called dumpra and dumbun. Another very important medicinal herb used in Sikkim Himalaya is Ageritum conizoides, which is locally known as Ilame in Nepali language, and it belongs to family Asteraceae. And Ageritum conizoides or Ilame in Nepali is a herb. Young shoot and leaves of this plant is used to treat cuts, wounds, stone formation in gallbladder, and this herb is also used as anti-tetanus. This is one of the important medicinal herb, but this is not much common in the people, as most of the people are unaware about the medicinal properties of this plant. Ageritum conizoides is native to tropical America, especially Brazil, and is an invasive weed in many other regions. It is an herb that is 0.5 to 1 meter high with ovate leaves 2 to 6 centimeter long. The flower is white in color. This is Kaempferia rotunda of family Gingiveraceae, which is locally known as Bhuichampa in Nepali language and Asian crocus in English language. Kaempferia rotunda or Bhuichampa is perennial herb, and tuber of this plant is widely used as a local application for tumors, swellings, and wounds. It also removes blood clots and other impurities from the body. It also improves complexion and cures burning sensation, mental disorders, and insomnia. This is one of the most commonly used medicinal herb, which is usually domesticated in the house, even as an ornamental plant. This is another very important wild edible plant as well as medicinal plant found in Sikkim Himalaya. This is Ortica dioica of family Orchidaceae, which is locally known as Gharia Sisnu in Nepali and stinging nettle in English. Ortica dioica or stinging nettle is a herbaceous perennial flowering plant with stinging hairs. Urtica dioica has traditionally been used in the control of cardiovascular disorders, especially hypertension. It is also used to improve glucose homeostasis, cancer, and it is also a great source of antioxidant. Other than medicinal uses, this plant is also used as very popular and common wild edible plant, as it is believed that the soup made up of young shoot and inflorescence are believed to be very nutritious. This is another important and most commonly found medicinal plant of Sikkim Himalaya. This is Artemisia indica, and it is locally known as Titepati in Nepali language, and it belongs to family Asteraceae or Compositae. Artemisia indica or Titepati is a perennial herb, and whole part of this plant is used as antiseptic, antiplasmodic. It is also used to cure wounds and cuts, etc. Other than medicinal uses, it have other uses also, such as it is also used by different religious community during religious rituals.